In this video, I will be showing you how to design a sticker in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I click on the Create a Design button in the top left corner of the homepage. From the drop-down menu, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank workspace. Once the editor loads, I navigate to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar at the top, I type in fish to find some illustrations. Under Graphics, I click on this cute clownfish graphic to add it onto the canvas. To help our white sticker border stand out clearly, I click on the background canvas, open the color palette from the top bar, and choose a solid orange background. Next, I select the clownfish graphic, drag the corner handle to resize it, and position it on the left. To give it a sticker effect, I click Edit at the top, scroll down the left panel, and click See All under Shadows. I select the outline effect, click the color icon to change it from black to white, and increase the size slider to create a clean, bold sticker border before closing the panel. Now, I go back to Elements and look at the magic recommendations to find matching graphics. I select this pink octopus, position it next to the clownfish, and scale it down. With the octopus selected, I click Edit, go into Shadows, select Outline, change the color to white, and adjust the slider to match the border thickness. For the last sticker, I pick this friendly red crab from the recommendations. I resize the crab, position all three graphics neatly across the canvas, and click Edit. I head over to Shadows, select Outline once more, set the color to white, and pull the size slider up to give it that same die-cut outline. Finally, I close the panel and deselect the graphic to review the finished designs. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to design sticker in Canva.